Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are doing a band gig out in Sleaton in good old North Yorkshire. So anyway, I'm just about to ride the bull. So if you want a good laugh, check this out.
Here he is, the massive melt.
Well, what a fantastic gig. Absolutely knackered now, end of the night. Everyone's still partying and DJ's taking over now. But yeah, all's good. And I'm going to a classic car show again tomorrow. So if there's anybody who wants to buy it, I just can't believe why the Triumph Stag hasn't sold yet. What's the matter with you people? It's ready to go. Get it bought. Anyway, on that note, seeds above it all.